Alright, I'm doing this quick video on this Frigidaire refrigerator not cooling. Owner tried to clean the refrigerator and accidentally got water down the hole there. And what happened is the water came out of here and went right on the compressor relay start device. And when that happened, what actually happened is it burned off one of the pins off the compressor. You can see it's only 2 pin on there now. So the third pin is in the relay start device. So this whole compressor needs to be replaced in order for this refrigerator to work. All right.